All right, so one thing we're often asked to do around a circle is finding the equation of a tangent to the circle. All right, so I'll just start with the example and I'll just talk through the kind of logic of what we're doing here. So first question here is find the equation of a tangent to the circle x squared plus y squared equals 52 at the point 6 minus 4. So in this example here, I've got a circle where the center is 0, 0, because it's x squared plus y squared on the left-hand side. And I'm told that there is a tangent to this circle at the point 6 minus 4. All right, so a tangent is a line that touches the circle at one point. Okay, so touches the circle at one point here. So that point 6 minus 4 is on the circle and it's on the line as well. All right, so that's the situation that's described here. And I want the equation of this tangent. Okay, so I want the equation of a line. Equation of a line is something which we've done on coordinate geometry, coordinate geometry of the line. All right, and we've got the formula on page 18 of the log tables. So it's there, y minus y1 equals m on x minus x1. That's how you get the equation of a line, and that's all a tangent is a line. So y minus y1 equals m on x minus x1 is the formula. So what do you need? You need a point on the line, which I've got 6 minus 4, but you also need the slope of the line to get the equation of a line. I don't have the slope of this tangent line, all right? And I don't have a second point on the tangent to get the slope of the tangent, okay? So I'm kind of a bit out of ideas there on that. However, what this relies on is, 6 minus 4 is on the circle. 0, 0 is the center of the circle. So if you join those up, you've got a radius to that circle. All right. And one thing from geometry, which comes into coordinate geometry of the circle that we need to remember, is that a radius and a tangent always meet at a right angle. So they're perpendicular lines. That's significant because if I know the slope of a perpendicular line, I can get the slope of the line perpendicular to it. Okay, so the first thing I do in this question and in these questions is to get the slope of the radius. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do here is get the slope of the radius. And that's going to be, so slope of a line is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Again, a formula from coordinate geometry of the line. So what are my 2 points? My 2 points are 0, 0, and 6 minus 4. They're the 2 points I'm going to put into the equation of the line. So I'll call this x1, y1. I'll call this x2, y2. So y2 minus y1 minus 4 minus 0 over x2 minus x1, so that's 6 minus 0, sorry. So what's that equal to? Minus 4 over 6, which is the same thing as minus 2 over 3, just simplifying it, okay? So the slope of the radius is minus 2 over 3. So the slope of this line here is minus 2 over 3. And from coordinate geometry of the line, you might remember that if the slope of a line is minus 2 over 3, the slope of a perpendicular line is that slope flipped upside down and the sign changed. So the slope of this line then is plus 3 over 2. All right, so we get the slope of the radius, minus 2 over 3, and then because this line, this tangent is perpendicular, we flip it and we change the sign. Okay, so that means the slope of the tangent is, change the sign, so plus, and then flip it 3 over 2. So then find the equation of the tangent line. So to find the equation of a line, I need the slope of the line, which I have now. I need a point on the line, which I have, so I'm able to do it. Okay, so equation y minus y1 equals m on x minus x1. So y minus, the point I have on the line is 6 minus 4, so it's y minus minus 4 equals m, my slope, so that's 3 over 2 on x minus 6. So minus and a minus together is a plus, so y plus 4 equals like you're going to get most of the marks, if not all the marks for this. I'm just going to, yeah, I would say most of you do want to tidy it up a bit to get all the marks. So just 3 over 2 multiplied by x is 3 over 2x. 3 over 2 multiplied by minus 6. If you're not too sure multiplying fractions, just do it on the calculator. 3 over 2 multiplied by minus 6 is minus 9. And again, what you can do here is maybe just move the numbers over and simple. So you've got a plus 4 here and a minus 9 here. So you can just move them to the same side and simplify them. What you're often asked to do is get it in the form, what they say is ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are integers. So they often basically want you to get rid of any fractions here. All right, so to get rid of fractions here, you're going to just multiply everything by 2, because this is over 2. All right, so y multiplied by 2 is 2y, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 is just 3, so this is equal to 3x. And 2 multiplied by minus 9 is minus 18. And then just get everything over to one side. So 0 equals 3x minus 2y. I have a minus 18 here. When I bring minus 8 over, it becomes minus 18 minus 8, which is minus 26. So there is the equation of my tangent. All right, so there's a little bit involved there. I'm just going to do another example then, this time with a circle where the center is not 0, 0. Okay, so find the equation of a tangent to the circle x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared is equal to 25 at the point minus 2, 2. All right, so I'll just draw a rough diagram here. So I've got a circle and I've got a tangent to that circle. All right, what's the center of this circle? Well, it's 1 minus 2. So remember, you're going to HK method, so it's the this with the sign change, so minus 1 becomes plus 1, plus 2 becomes minus 2. So the center of that circle is plus 1 minus 2. And I'm told I'm looking for a tangent at the point minus 2, 2. All right, so same method as before. I am going to get the slope of the radius, then rely on the fact that the tangent is perpendicular. So first thing I need to do is get the slope of the radius. So I needed to get the center there to do this. So the slope of the radius, so my 2 points are 1 minus 2, my center, and minus 2, 2, my point on the circle. So I'll call this x1, y1, I'll call this x2, y2. So the slope of my radius, again, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's equal to y2 minus y1, so 2 minus minus 2. So just be careful there, there's a minus in the formula, and that is negative as well, so you end up with a double minus. x2 minus x1, so x2 is minus 2 minus 1. So 2 minus minus 2 is 2 plus 2 is 4. Over minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So that's the slope of your radius. So your tangent then is that slope flipped with the sign changed. So the slope of the tangent then is plus 3 over 4. All right. The equation of my tangent then is y minus y1 equals m on x minus x1, so just that equation of the line formula. So it's y minus, what's the point on the tangent? Just be careful here, it's the point on the tangent you're looking for, so it's the minus 2, 2. So that's the point that's shared by the circle and the line. That's where the tangent touches. So y minus 2 is equal to, what's my slope? 3 over 4 on x minus minus 2. So y minus 2 equals 3 over 4 on x plus 2. So y minus 2 is equal to, just multiplying it out, 3 over 4 by x is 3 over 4x, or else 3x over 4 is another way of writing it. 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 is 6 over 4. If you want to do it on the calculator, 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 is 6 over 4, or 3 over 2, or 1.5, any way you want to write it. So just 3 over 2 is what they have there. So again, just tidying it up a little bit. Again, just because it's the most common way I'm asked for it, I'll do it. I'm going to get rid of all the fractions and just move everything to one side. So to get rid of the fractions here, I'm going to need to multiply by 4. Okay, so if I multiply that by 4, I'll get rid of the over 4. I'll get rid of the over 2 here as well, and then it'll be fine there as well. So multiplying everything by 4, y by 4 is 4y, minus 2 by 4 is minus 8, is equal to 3x over 4 multiplied by 4. The over 4 and multiplied by 4 cancel, and you're just left with 3x. 3 over 2 by 4, again, if you're not too sure, do it in the calculator. That's 6. Okay, so it's 12 over 2, which is 6. And then just moving everything to one side, 0 equals 3x. Bring the 4y over, it becomes minus 4y. Bring the minus 8 over, it becomes plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. And there's the equation of the tangent in that question. All right. So again, equation of the tangent, we have kind of 3 steps, okay, or kind of 4 steps maybe. So first, find the center of the circle. Okay, so what is the center of the circle? Get that from the equation. Then you're getting the slope of the radius. So using the slope formula from the center to the point where the tangent cuts, what's the slope of that radius? So I got minus 4 over 3 in that second example. Then you're using that to get the slope of the tangent. The tangent is perpendicular to the radius, so you flip that slope and change it to a positive. So plus 3 over 4 in this example. And then you're being asked for the equation of a tangent. You're being asked for the equation of a line. So you use the equation of the line formula. Into that goes the point on the tangent line and also the slope of the tangent line, which you've just figured out.